Good morning. It's January 20th, 8:27 in the morning. We definitely did not go to Bourbon Street last night because we actually fell asleep. We were just really tired, and we were like, okay, we'll take like a little power nap and we're good to go. And then as we took the power nap, we were like, oh shoot, like we are actually tired because like Michael like knocked out, he was like snoring. And I was like extremely tired too. Like every single time I woke up, I was like ready to fall back asleep. We are getting our day started. We're kind of on time, like on schedule type of thing, but I don't know. We're supposed to be at breakfast at like 9, but it's already 8:29. And me vlogging does not help because, you know, I need to get ready. We are headed to breakfast. It's very sunny, but it's very beautiful on Canal Street. Look at it. So beautiful. Okay. Did you hear that? I'm standing right next to you and he's like, hello, babe. Alrighty, we're here at the Ruby Slipper. Here it is. But we were able to look at the menu before we came and sat down, and I'm thinking of getting the chicken St. Charles.
Fried chicken breast server, buttermilk biscuit, topped with 2 poachés, finished with a pork tasso cream sauce. $13. And it's a signature item here at the restaurant. So I'm excited. Michael chose this place for the good rating.
Dude, it's $10 for a mimosa.
Is that good?
No, that's expensive as shit.
No.
Probably some sort of leaf. They messed it up.
Oh, it's supposed to be a leaf. I was gonna say crawfish, but here's my lattes in a cute little cup. Michael got a red coffee. It looks cute. They actually sell these mugs. It's cute. Oh my gosh. Chicken St. Charles. Michael's looks so good too. Is that pulled pork? Nice.
Poached eggs on top. Like,
Should've gotten that. I'm badass.
Gushy. You can have some. I don't even think I can finish this. It's so much. So good. We are ready to go. We are ready to chow. We did what we could. Michael ate most of my meal. Or not most of my meal, but he really helped me out in the last leg because I couldn't handle it. I drank my latte. We are ready to go. We feel like fat people. Very chubby feeling right now.
We're here at the museum. Let's take a pic. Ooh.
To confirm. Yes, it is Benjamin. I was like, Benjamin. Benjamin Franklin.
And then the other side is a black one.
Perfect. That looks so real. Hello. Hello.
You look so real.
There's a boat we're going on. Oh, here's a jester. Ooh, look at the bridge, yo. Look at that bridge over there.
So that's the boat we're gonna ride. Only outside.
We taking off. Wee-hoo. We're inside because there's no outdoor seating. We'd be walking into this house. Just an empty house though, so probably nothing too scary. Maybe it was this one. Michael, that was very eerie. It scared me a little. I don't like being in empty places.
Stray ghosts.
Stray ghosts, stray ghosts. We're at dinner. This place is so huge.
Oh, these raw oysters. They're so big. So big, baby. Michael's gonna have his first charbroiled oyster. At Drago's.
Seafood pasta and a lobster mac and cheese. We at the Beignet Cafe Beignet. It smells so good in here. Hotel room. Michael's on the phone. I am watching my YouTube video. Just posted this vlog. I finished editing it this morning. I uploaded it here at the hotel and just posted it. So, yeah. We're getting this pre-game started. Whoop, 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 whoop. Michael's setting up. He just chilled the Coke. We gonna post some shots. Yo, we got fun, and we're gonna have fried chicken tonight. Oh, yeah. We're like so full right now, but later we will be hungry.
Some fireball shots up in here.
Yes. Some of you are like, ugh.
But we like.
We're like, yeah.
Whatever.
I haven't filmed at all, but we've had 6 shots. Michael and I are heavyweights, so we don't feel a thing right now. Not a thing. Just feeling good. Party in the hotel.
Look how slow my hands look. Whoa, that's really good. Why is it doing that? Can you do it? Can you do it too?
Oh yeah, oh yeah!
Woo! You're swimming up.
Okay.
You gotta go. Roots. I used to believe. I can't do
Roots.
something from these parts are Saven. Shout out to Caven. Uncle Caven.
It's so coordinated. Oh, we're doing this. Okay. Okay, left. I go left first.
You go left first. Okay.
Don't you give up, I won't give up,
Michael, you look so pretty. Michael, what the This looks like a mom.
You're like an ugly girl. Like,
Dude, I look like an ugly girl.
I look beautiful.
Michael looks so gorgeous.
My eye makeup on point.
Oh yeah. Priorities for real. Well, we planned for this, so we're going according to plan. Cheers, bro! Woo! Last night, no law! We're on Bourbon Street! Woo!
Want none unless you got buns, honey.
Try it for the first time. Dude, Michael gave me the drumstick though. Thanks, bro.